हेलो दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है टेक सत्संग। मैं हूं अमरीश पटेल। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hello guys, today we're gonna unbox this amazing earphone by boAt. This is called boAt nirvanA. So let's start. So the packaging is very good, and you can see the cardboard on the packaging. So this is the box. The box looks very cool. You can see boAt plug into nirvanA. The model is nirvanA. Let's open the box up and see what are the contents of the box. So this feels very awesome to look at, and it is very premium to use. Let's remove the wrapper. So here we have a suitcase like box. This case is very awesome and seems very strong. We have some earbuds here. We have some manual. Let's keep it aside. And this, the awesome earphone is here. Let me put it out. So this comes with very smooth and very cool sponge. And here we have a earphone. The quality is very amazing. You can see the rubber quality. The build quality is awesome. And this is 3.5 mm jack, which is gold plated, and it has purple straps on it. So let's look at the features of this earphone. The box here. It has super extra bass. It is one button microphone, but the buttons are very multifunctional. Superior coated cable and hands-free. So this earphone basically has 16 decibel of ohm of sound. And so let's listen a song with this earphone. Yeah, you can see the structure here, very amazingly made this structure. And let's listen up a song and see the quality of this earphone. This is a round the earphone and in earphone. So let's listen a song. So I will listen to the song, and the quality of the sound is very awesome, and obviously the earphone is very worth to buying. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video.